sounds of summer. This is going to be a long, noisy walk today. Oh, it's beautiful, isn't it? Oh, very humid out here. This is what I like about some of these walks. Every now and then you come across something special, like this sandstone rock behind me over here. Now this is what I call nature's art. Not too sure how it got here. Got some beautiful big bird nest ferns on top of it as well. But what you're going to be pretty impressed with is some of the patterns of the sediments, the swirling patterns on this rock. Give me the camera for a second. Let me just show you. Let's get up here pretty quickly. Let's get up here. Oh, God, it's humid today. Besides, this is a beautiful walk, and besides seeing Macquarie rivulet, some stunning waterfalls, great place to jump in for a swim. Pay attention because of the density of the trees, humidity around here. It's a perfect environment for a fern forest, and you're going to see lots of these bird's nest ferns all around the place. Huge, have a go at the size of these. I did say this is the perfect environment for leeches and ticks, as you can see right now. Nice big juicy leech got into the leg. Honestly, this has to be the biggest fungi I have ever seen. Have a go at the size of this. Unbelievable. Massive. Biggest fungi, except for this one. I tell you what, they weren't wrong. There is a lot of steep uphill climb to get here, but I believe the walk's going to be worth it. Wow, a lot of cardio going. have a go at this. What a way to top off our day. We've already been to about half a dozen other waterfalls, been for quite a few swims, and this is Minnamurra Falls just behind me over here. This is only a 4-kilometre return walk. You've got a lot of boardwalks, a lot of ramps, quite steep to get up here, but I tell you what, the rewards are absolutely stunning. Have a go at this.